So hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the 5 things I wish I knew before I studied law. And there are a few things that I think people definitely need to know before they start. With proper preparation during the summer, I think these things won't come as a surprise. The first thing I wish I knew was that there's a lot of reading in law, and I know a lot of people who may be wanting to study law already know this, but there is a lot of reading, and the best way to prepare for the amount of reading is to read loads of books during the summer. And just equip yourself and get familiar with reading, because there's a lot of reading. And the second thing I wish I knew, that law books are extremely expensive. The individual books themselves are not that expensive, but when you deep it and you really calculate all the books that you're getting, and you realize you're not going to use it for the next year, then you're going to kind of regret it. So law books are expensive when you buy them all together. Individually, they're about £20 depending on the module. The tip for that would be during Freshers Week to go to book sales, so you can buy them like secondhand kind of thing, so they'd be cheaper. And I also recommend using ebooks. I mainly used ebooks, so that's all online. Third thing I wish I knew, career prospects. 2 routes into, you can become a barrister or a solicitor. Not a range of things that you can do because of the kind of linear course it is. The Law LLB is quite limited in career options. The fourth thing I wish I knew, the amount of preparation and proactivity you need to be doing. Each seminar, each lecture, there's preparation for every single one, which is like every single day, so you're literally having no time. As soon as you get home, you need to be preparing for the next lecture or the next seminar. So I would definitely do time management and definitely revising a few months before exams. But you'll be shocked at the amount of preparation and how organized you need to be. Yeah. Fifth thing, learning how to read case law. So case law is basically an extract of a case. I mean, we're studying law, so you're going to be reading a lot of cases. The best way is to learn how to read cases. So when you're reading cases, there's certain things that you're looking out for. For example, the outcome and what was held, and you have to find that in like 10 pages of a case. Learn how to skim read? Learn how to like efficiently read. Do not procrastinate if you're planning to study law. Procrastination is evil, I'm not gonna lie, enemy of progress. But if you just push through, you'll be able to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, really short. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subscribers, so let's hope we get there. But thank you for watching the video, and yeah.